Hello, folks. This is Lisa
And Jake.
from Doggieland Play Park, and we are here today to do our fourth podcast. Sorry it's been so long. But we are talking about a topic that was requested by one of our listeners, and it's some tips for potty training an adult dog in a new environment. So, as I was understanding, this adult dog goes over to a family member's house, gets, babysat, doggy sat, whatever, and has accidents in the house. So, really want to know, how do we avoid this? How do we correct this? So, the first thing is always establish a routine in any dog that you're trying to potty train, whether it be a puppy, an adult dog, an older dog. Establish that routine at every environment, a new environment. Taking the dog outside at the same time every day, first thing in the morning, after meals, before bed. I like to call it a potty schedule. That's really important in a new environment. Show the dog where, when to go.
And then you're going to want to supervise your dog. It's just like having a puppy, getting them on the routine of keep them leashed, in sight, don't let them go off and go potty. Keep them where you can see them indoors. You can use a dog gate, restrict them to a smaller area until they get potty trained, and just more or less have them within your viewing area at all times when they're out.
Exactly. And watch for those signs. Keep an eye on the dog. Look for those signs that the dog needs to go out. Some dogs will sniff, some get really anxious, run around, whine, head to the door. When you're watching for those signs, goes into establish a routine. You want to use the same potty door, go out to the same door, the same area. And when they do their business, that's when you say, good boy, good girl, potty, when they're doing their business.
Yeah, and don't punish your dog. It's got to be positive. If they're adults, yes, but they're going to have accidents until they figure out what they need to be doing. So you're going to, okay, well, just don't let them see it, clean it up, start over, move on to the next time.
Absolutely. And always, always, folks, use positive reinforcement. Praise your dog, give them treats when they do figure it out. And again, it's very important. Don't name it till you love it. That's what I say when I do all dog training. Don't name it. Don't say anything till they're actually doing it. Then put the name to it.
And if they're having, all of a sudden they're peeing in the house, they're peeing a lot, they're asking to go out a bunch of times for this, that, or the other, it could be an underlying health issue too.
Absolutely.
So check with your vet.
Yes, that is very important. We know UTIs and some infections can cause, incontinence in the home. So don't be alarmed. It does happen. It is common for your adult dog to be totally potty trained at your house and go to a new environment and have accidents.
Yeah.
And here's just a little bit more on house training a dog in 7 days. Again, focus on establishing a consistent routine, taking your dog outside frequently, especially after meals, naps, playtime, immediately rewarding them with praise and treats when they are going in the designated area outside, and using a crate to help manage their bathroom needs, particularly at night. Remember, folks, be patient and consistent with positive reinforcement. All right, until next time, thank you.
Thanks, guys.